Bathed in the kitchen's soft glow, Sara stands at the counter, her movements precise as she chops vegetables. David enters, his smile radiant, filling the room with warmth. Sara proposes, "Let's cook dinner together tonight." David responds, "Great idea." David shouts, his voice resounding through the living room. "Emma, come help us with dinner." Emma responds from upstairs. "Coming, Dad." Emma enters the kitchen, tying her hair up into a ponytail. She walks over and hugs Sara warmly as Sara asks, "Can you make dessert?" Emma responds with a smile. "Sure." Something easy. Sara expertly slices onions, the pungent aroma permeating the kitchen. David vigorously chops tomatoes, the vibrant juice splattering around him as he exclaims, "These onions are strong!" Sara retorts playfully, "Don't cry!" Emma carefully layers slices of bananas, swirls of cream, and crushed cookies in a glass bowl. She beams, holding it out. "Look! My banana surprise!" David exclaims. "Wow! Looks delicious!" Smoke fills the kitchen as Sara cries. "Oh no! It's burning!" Emma shouts, "Quick! Turn it off!" David cautiously opens the oven, a plume of smoke billowing out. "Crisis averted," David declares, as laughter fills the smoky kitchen. Emma chimes in, "Let's not burn dessert too." The family gathers, setting the table with care. "Should I light the candle?" Emma asks. "Yes! Nice idea," Sara replies, as the room fills with a warm, familial atmosphere. In the heart of the kitchen, Emma meticulously arranges fresh herbs on the salad, crafting a masterpiece of flavors and colors. David, leaning against the counter, watches Emma's every move, admiration sparkling in his eyes. "You're an artist!" David exclaims, his voice filled with genuine appreciation. Emma responds with a playful smile. "Thank you, Chef Dad." The dining area buzzes with anticipation as everyone gathers around the table, the aroma of the dishes permeating the air. Sara exclaims, "Everything smells so good." Emma eagerly responds, "Let's eat!" Amidst laughter and shared stories, David captures the moment with a cheerful, "Say cheese!" Emma exclaims, "This is the best!" as they savor the meal.